It is undeniable that artificial intelligence are useful when it comes to answering our questions, our daily concerns in just few seconds. Now, I'm really intrigued on how does these machines process its function from the prompt to producing answers in few seconds. So let's ask Gemini, especially using the Nano Banana for that sort of inquiry. For the prompt, visualize mm, the timeline of the process of how generative AI execute its function from receiving the prompts or the prompt to producing its answer. Go Nano Banana. Enter Nano Banana. Also, this kind of technology is really brilliant. Like, what? Defining visual steps. This is what I love. Modernization, digitalization, audition, audition, TION. Alright, here. Receiving the prompt, generative image, futuristic city. Then processing and understanding it, tokenization, contextual analysis, then semantic search. Then from the time from 0 second to 0.5 second to model execution and generation, 2.5 seconds, producing the answer in 5 seconds. Wow, that's fast.